Hello everyone, let me show you how to use the location tags on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So let's go to camera, and here within settings, this gear icon in the top left corner, tap on it and scroll down a little bit until you see the location tags tab. So turn this feature on and allow the location sharing. And now let's go back to camera and let's take any photo. Let's take any photo, and now you can tap on this photo thumbnail in the bottom left corner, and it takes you to the gallery. And now you can swipe up on your photo and you see the location tag. You can edit the photo information and you can delete this location tag and add the location tag manually from the map. Just manually add a location tag from everywhere. Moreover, even if the location tag feature is turned off, you still can to add the location tag manually. By the way, don't forget that the location tags work only when your phone is connected to the internet. So before using, please check your internet connection. For example, open the notification bar and check if you connected to Wi-Fi or to mobile internet. At least one of these icons should be blue, or just go to any web browser and open or refresh any website. If you succeeded, it means that you are connected and your location tags will work. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.